poppin'. Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing, I'm spending this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Boys to the top end. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told fool, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. Peachy, we getting some traction. I'm at the views packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a beauty Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it on fast. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set.
Well, on the grill, y'all know what time it is. Momo's birthday. She turning 6. She getting big. I'm getting old, but I'm still young, forever young. I don't never age. You feel me? But yeah, y'all see it. Y'all see what's going on.
You have another battery?
Yeah, the one you told me to take from upstairs.
Okay, it's on 5%.
5?
You had it running for 20 minutes.
That shit was just on 30.
You had it running for 20 minutes?
Yeah, you right. Rolled chicken. We got the hamburgers, the hot dogs. We at Huntington Beach right now. Y'all see the check the view. Check the view. Feel me? But I'm here now. You feel me? But I'm here now. You feel me? Great. This is a great day. So, boy. Grill on the fucking sand and shit. Y'all see what's going on. Chef Boy Armello in this bitch, huh? I can't pick it up. It's too hot. You have to touch the bottom.
The bottom of it.
Pick it up. Yeah. That's insane, bro.
You doing it? If you lift it up again, I could try to like. No, I'm good. As long as you lift it.
I can lift it up through here.
Okay.
It's beauty and the struggle, ugliness and the success. Hear my words and listen.
It's like a hook up under here that we weren't on. Hold on. Okay, so don't move, okay?
My niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale. No once upon a time.
Yeah, we weren't on that hook.
Is it on now?
Yeah. So go ahead and let it kind of like.
Tell me, mama,
Oh wait,
drinking all the time.
hold on.
Go ahead, you good. I can hold it.
You can hold this. Okay, come down. Come down.
On the road to riches, listen, this is what
All right,
you
go
find.
to this way. To the yep. Keep going down. Go back to that. All right. You might. Okay, go down. Stay. Straight down. Yeah. No, it's not gonna work. Hold on. Hold on, baby.
Is that it?
No, cause like this. Here. Let me hold it, and then you can see what I'm talking about. It's like a latch under there.
Here, barbecue broke, y'all. I literally closed it and it fell. But y'all see what's going on? We still cooking. This ain't gonna stop the. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it? Y'all see the sizzle?
We had to put some new stuff back.
Yeah. Do some more chicken on there, more hot dogs, more burgers. We good. Moore's birthday, Huntington Beach. You feel me? It's a good day. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, we're gonna close this up. Hopefully this don't fall deeper in the sand. We good. And we're gonna season up that chicken. Catch you on the next clip.
For the wise, it's just a twist. Either way, I'm gonna party just in case. Like Chris Party, it was 99 and 87, 88. I couldn't ask for no better weather. I'm right next to the Pacific, to be specific. On the candy paint job, closing of the moonlight. As I close out my summer night and say goodnight. It's time to put the top up and park it. Drop it, unplug the car, roll out the windows and lock it. Walk in the pad and fall in the
Open it. Open it in here so you don't get it.
Yeah, your twin.
Why she look like that?
Open it.
She got more.
Oh.
Yay! Okay, got the big J's on the feet. Ooh! Oh, okay. Hey.
Pick it up, show everybody. Hold it up.
Hold it up.
Don't.
Hey. Okay.
Jordan.
Mo, can I wear those, Mo? No? Alright. See that? See that?
Niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it over. Big dripper, stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't funky yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a hell of a ticket out from I see that. I got some rats and I want some. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture boat. They look great, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the
Alright, y'all, so we back, you feel me? I got the salmon in here. I got one more cooking. Rice about to be finished. Well, it's pretty much done right now. I'm gonna cook that up real quick, season that joint up, you feel me? And then yeah, y'all stay tuned. Right now we got our salmon in a bowl, you feel me? We mixed it together. We just, you know what I'm saying? Just crushed the salmon together. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. And now we have the imitation crab. Got the imitation crab opened up. This is my first time ever even touching imitation crab. So, like I said, we know Ashley the queen of bouginess. So hopefully this crab is good for her. You know what I'm saying? And what we gonna do, we just gonna peel it. You feel me? Nothing too crazy. Just gonna peel it, boom, bounce. I think it's probably faster this way. Just gonna rip them. But yeah, y'all get the point. Y'all see what I'm doing. I'm ripping the imitation crab and I'm putting it into the salmon. And then I will be back in a few seconds and I'm gonna show y'all what else we doing with this. So stay tuned. All right, y'all. We are back and I got the crab mixed in with the salmon. So this is what it looked like. I tried to crush up the crab as much as I could. So this is what it looked like. Hopefully I don't drop it. But that's what it looked like. Go ahead and get a taste. Boom, bow, bink. It might be a little dry, so don't taste it right now. All right, so I'm gonna get some cream cheese. Boom. Some cream cheese. I ain't measuring nothing. Nigga, I'm eyeballing everything, so it is what it is. I don't like to measure. I see it, I'ma cook it, you feel me? So I got some cream cheese in this mud. What up, meat? So we're gonna throw some cream cheese in here. They say Philadelphia's finest. So that's in there. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick. All right, so we're gonna get this. This is called, where's the wrapper? This is called QP sauce, QP mayonnaise. This is what they put in a sushi. For all y'all sushi lovers, this is what they put in there. So I went to the little Asian market, you feel me? And I went to go grab me grab me some QP. Let's go grab me some QP. So they said throw that in there. Bow, bink, bink, bink. We gonna throw that in there. I made a lot. Like I said, I eyeballed it, so I'm gonna eyeball this too. So that's in there. Boom. Here we got the QP sauce and we got the cream cheese, Philadelphia's finest. You feel me? We gonna mix that. Gonna mix that together. And yeah, be right back. I'm gonna show y'all what we about to do next. Y'all, so I'm taking the sushi bake out the oven cause it said it's done. Ooh. So we finna see how it look for the one time. And that's how it look for the one time. I don't know if y'all can see that bank. This one's a little one. And we going good. All right, y'all, so the sushi bake done. It's a little hot. But this is what it's looking like, you know what I mean? About to throw the little razzle dazzle over the tizzy, you hear me? Over the tizzy. Y'all hear me? Over the top, you heard? This is what it looked like, the end result. I just threw some more eel sauce on there. And it looked bedussin', I ain't gonna lie to you. I just gotta figure out how to roll these motherfuckers up. Just gotta figure out how to roll these motherfuckers up in the little seaweed, whatever they got going.
Miss Ma'am, in this economy, you think I'm serving real crab on a Tuesday night? It's like pizza and beer. Holy fuck, I got mom and dinner restaurant, the salmon, this guy's cheese.
You know what I'm saying? A little sushi bake. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Let me try to roll this up, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie to you, big man. Hold on. Hold on, me. Like this. Oh, yeah, nigga. Shit good. What the fuck? Oh, yeah, nigga. Oh yes, nigga. Oh yes, nigga. Oh yes, nigga. Oh yes, nigga. I don't even know what to do. My goodness. Wow, I'm surprised. I'm over here grubbing, y'all. This shit really good for real. But look, wow, y'all see what's going on. And I throw it on top of here, roll it up, and it look like that. Probably put it in the refrigerator for a little bit, let it cool down, and I'm gonna cut it up. And we got some sushi, you feel me?
Lately I've been trying to vent indeed. I've been chiefing on that Cherokee. Numbers in my phone I should delete. Vibing, making music, trying to eat. Please don't pay me mine, I'm in the hills. Do it for the love, cause it's for real. She might catch a ride just for the thrill. Sorry that I'm offending, I'ma chill. Yeah, I'ma chill. Yeah, I'ma chill. Yeah, I'ma chill. Yeah, I'ma chill. Lately I've been trying to fend indeed. I've been chiefing on that Cherokee. She might catch a ride just for the thrill. Sorry that I'm venting, I'ma chill.